Pretty awesome.
Hi, I'm Duke. This week I'll be considering I see that cheeky bird.
All right, children, now please put your songbooks away, then stand up alongside your desks. We'll go out to recess as soon as everybody gets ready.
That was about them singing, and I think the building was the church. She didn't like it because she was walking in the house because too many birds was getting on the thing, wasn't it? I liked the clouds and it start getting nighttime. I liked the clouds and then it started getting nighttime. I would have done it of autumn, so all the leaves fall off. Another way I would do it, put winter on, like when it's snowing. So I would give it a 10 because all of the singing and all of the birds, it was because it was very funny. The girl ran back into the church. If I made it better and it was better than 10, I would give it 12 if it was better than 10. But I'll just give it a 10 now.
Pretty awesome.